Well, g'day everybody in Australia. We are here at the Oldtimer Centre after 32 years selling Mercedes-Benz, and I just cannot believe sometimes how inexpensive compared to the brand new car price some motor vehicles are. This is an ML63 twin turbo, 5.5 litre V8 four-wheel drive with every option possible that sounds like a Formula One, well, not a Formula One, it sounds like a race car, and it's $35,000 or $6,000. It's travelled 130,000 kilometres since 2014, so 12 years, 10 or 11,000 Ks a year minimum, fully serviced with a pearlescent white paint finish. This is a car that has Harman Kardon sound, memory electric chairs, beautiful black piano wood, leather door trims, leather dashboard with white stitching. It is a 14 build and compliance Australian delivered car with heated and cooled memory electric chairs, factory sunroof, Alcantara steering wheel, AMG everything, alloy wheels, painted bumpers, reverse camera, front camera. It is an exceptionally good car to drive. I mean, any V8 Mercedes-Benz is an exceptionally good car to drive, but this is an absolute ball terror. I love the colour, I love the black leather. In the back seats, you've got a full 5-seater, and it's got air conditioning dials in the back. The push button electric boot. And let's open the bonnet whilst we're talking to you. We're going to listen to the absolute ball terror. It's even got Diseño floor mats. Now, Diseño, I'm not going to suggest that this car has any Diseño other options. Axel Koffer, he built the engine. Well, he didn't build it, he put it together. By the way, it's not detailed yet. We just washed the car to have this lovely presentation video done. Speaking of which, we did film with Discovery Channel and Wheeler Dealers twice. It's got rego, it's got books, history, everything. So a bit about us, we're the major sponsor of the Mercedes Car Club in New South Wales. We hold technical days, special events, the Sydney German Auto Fest car show. We're located with this fabulous showroom. I'm not at the showroom today, as you can see, I'm in the park. The car park, which is surprisingly tidy today. It's a great part of the world for us because it's the centre of Greater Sydney, lots of really good mechanics. We've got a mechanic around the corner that was trained by BMW. He works on Mercedes, Audis, Porsche, fabulous mechanic. We'll do a pre-purchase inspection. You can speak to him if you want. You can get anybody to do one if you want. Roadworthy certificates, we check the PPSR register, that Public Property Securities Register, to make sure there's no finance owing. No hail dents we check over. We've even got a paint thickness tester to see if there's major paint work that's been done on the car. Look, we've known ML63s that haven't been a 10 out of 10. I'm not saying this is a 10, but it's close. The paint is beautiful. The alloys are unmarked. There's a little tiny mark on a tyre, but you need to expect that of a 12-year-old car. The interior is immaculate. I'm going to get the camera off the tripod and just show you how good it is. You just bear with me. You know, a lot of people say that second-hand cars, oh, you know, they're allowed to have this and they're allowed to have that. Good, because that's the attitude we want people to have. They're allowed, but when they're serviced properly and on time and they sound like this, look at this car, it's all very original. The side steps are lovely. Let's just get that camera so you can see it. I mean, look at this interior. Okay, let me just crank it over. Oh my God. Imagine that. They talk about the soccer mum's car. Now, I think it's a bit insulting personally. Look, sorry, it's got an Alcantara roof lining as well. But I take my kids to soccer and I would bloody love to drive this. The flat bottom steering wheel, voice activation. There's that leather on the doors, the push button boot, the memory chairs, the Harman Kardon, the lane keeping assistance so that if you do swerve because you're a bit tiredies, I think it's even got a radar distance cruise control. Stone the crows. Let's have a look-see. Beautiful seats. Oh my God, it does. So the radar cruise, as we all know, means that you can get out onto the open road, set that cruise control, and really not have to worry. The car will slow down and speed up as required. Big light in the back. I love that. You want to change the bubby in the back? Well, it's not really for that, but that's what I like to think. Space saver spare, first aid kit, power charging in the back. It's missing the parcel tray, but it doesn't matter. That's probably in someone's garage and we've probably got one of them lying around anyway. Reversing camera, rear washer wiper, the bit A, we love that. Massive 21-inch wheels and just a beautiful car. Red brake calipers. Oh, the extended warranty that we will include for 1 year covers you for parts and labour for around about $2,000 each time you want to make a claim. People sort of say to me, $2,000, it's nothing. But it's not nothing. It's every time you go in, if you have a problem with the gearbox or the engine or the differential, there's $2,000. If you've got a problem with your cooling system, your air conditioning, your power steering, the brake master cylinder, they'll give you $750. Keyless entry. It's not a bad warranty considering the age of the vehicle. You can see here the black piano wood is beautiful. All the dials and buttons are exceptional. Air-conditioned seats, heated seats, climate air, anti-skid, and then down here you've got your air suspension, hill descent. Everything's working fine. The beautiful timber there is in excellent condition and your storage in there is not full of all lolly wrappers and so forth. So it's the new, more modern series of ML. You've got the new dials, the lovely navigation, it's all colour screen. Let's turn it on. Even reminds you, you've got the best car in the world. Your parking sensors are up there. We did win that local business award in the Parramatta region for automotive excellence. And we've been runner-up a couple of times. Paddle shifting transmission, Bluetooth technology, navigation, you'll see there, the map's beautiful, CD stackers, SD cards, it does have it all. The leather door trim is in beautiful condition. The black piano wood is up on the dash, but it actually has that lovely walnut look to it on the door trims as well. Memory electric chairs for the passenger. Come and see us, 29 to 31 Antoine Street, Rydalmere, 95699999. My name's Richard Simons, and I'm proudly presenting this beautiful 2014 twin turbo ML63.